Hello everyone, welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly means 11th of December. First of all, national news. Google Telangana announced launch of Google for Startups Hub in Hyderabad. Jammu and Kashmir teachers directed to monitor report stray dog population around schools. Absurd. Chhattisgarh teachers slam order to monitor snakes, scorpions. Four rescued tiger cubs die at Karnataka center. Viral infection suspected. Elon Musk said, looking forward to serving India with Starlink. And international news. Danish intelligence agency said US now a possible security risk. Russian Chinese nuclear capable bombers fly past Japan. US issued warning. US plan mandatory social media disclosure for visa exempt tourists. Israel approved nearly 800 housing units in three West Bank settlements. India can't be only stop. Indonesian president invite Putin for visit. And now some sports news. The IPL 2026 auction in Abu Dhabi on December 16 will be star-studded affair. India have begun their final phase of preparation for the 2026 T20 World Cup. News related to business. Amazon to make mega investment of $35 billion in India by 2030. Qatar Airways leads the rankings in 2025 due to its superior passenger experience. And that's all in news. Thank you.